In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Microsoft Loop component. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right spot in Loop and remove the component you no longer need, without second guessing where to click. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. This is the quickest way to land on the official site, especially if you're not sure of the direct address. In the search results, choose the Microsoft Loop page from Microsoft's official domain. That ensures you're in the right place and avoids lookalike pages. On the Loop landing page, select Get Started with Loop. You'll be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account, or you can create one if you don't have it yet. Be sure to sign in with the account that actually has access to the workspace where your component lives. If your organization uses additional security, you might see verification prompts. Just complete those to proceed. Once you're in the Loop web app, pick the workspace that contains the component you want to remove. Workspaces are collections of pages and content shared with your team. If you're unsure which workspace it's in, check your recent activity or use the search bar at the top to look for the page title or keywords you remember. Inside the workspace, navigate to the page or area where the component appears. In Loop, a component is a portable piece of content, like a task list, table, or checklist, that can also be shared into other Microsoft 365 apps. Hover your mouse near the left edge of the component to reveal its handle. You're looking for the 6-dot icon. This is the component's More Options control. If you don't see it right away, move your cursor slowly along the left side of the component until it appears. Click the 6 dots to open the context menu. From here, choose Delete. This removes the component from the page, and if that component was shared elsewhere, the deletion will be reflected there as well for anyone who had access. Keep in mind that this action affects your collaborators, so make sure you're deleting the correct item and not the entire page or a different block nearby. If you catch a mistake immediately, the undo option in the app can help you reverse the change right away. That's it. You searched for Microsoft Loop, opened the official site, got started and signed in, entered the right workspace, located your component, opened its options, and selected Delete. Follow these steps anytime you need to tidy up your pages and keep your workspace focused on what matters.